If you ever go on the App Store and type in like CarPlay apps, you'll see that some of the app suggestions that's popping up are not even third-party CarPlay applications. And so because of that, this is why I'm putting out today's video where I'm going to go ahead and share with you my favorite powerful third-party apps to install for your Apple CarPlay. Let's start off if you are a proud owner of a Porsche, because as of recently, Porsche owners can now install the My Porsche app, which will give them climate control all from their CarPlay head unit. And pretty soon, I'm sure Porsche will integrate more stuff like horsepower rating, hopefully, and more driver information that you can have displayed on your CarPlay head unit. Now, Porsche is the first manufacturer, to my knowledge, that has this freedom, this capability to really utilize the Apple ecosystem UI. And now it's pretty cool knowing that Porsche now has that ability. Now, the next app is a great substitute if you don't really care so much about satellite view on your Apple Maps, but you really don't like using Waze or Google Maps for satellite view. That is OnX. If you're unfamiliar with OnX, OnX is basically an off-roader focused app, but you don't need a paid membership to utilize their satellite overview capabilities, because if we tap over here on this little corner, you can mark your location or start tracking. Very similar to like what the Apple Watch has, where you can start like locking down your GPS coordinates so you can backtrack. So if you go off the grid, you can start making your marking locations using OnX, all for free. In addition to that, if you tap the gear icon on top here where it says base map settings, you have three amazing options. You could do full satellite view, as you see right here, hybrid, or even topograph, which will show you the elevation, the altitude of like certain areas. If you go like somewhere in like the mountain sides, you have the arrow to zoom in and zoom out, and you can see like topograph lines starting forming. Quite amazing actually, and all for free. And the app itself runs extremely smoothly. So if you ever find yourself off the grid, or you just like these different map layouts, OnX is the app you want to download. Now, the next app, also free to download, and that is Instapaper. If you like to listen to a lot of articles while you're driving, but you don't have time to listen to it or read it while you're at work, as a fine example, you can offload them right here, and whenever you're ready on a long road trip or stuck in traffic, you click on a recently saved article and just tap on it, and Siri will narrate and start reading to you out loud the article. So to go ahead and increase the audio of the car.
Instagram at once. Thanks to a new change rolling out today, you can. Instagram is.
Yeah, you should get the picture. Yeah, so basically it allows you to listen to your articles you've saved, because to get started, it's as easy as literally just going on Safari, type in like your favorite article you like reading. On our case is 9 to 5 Mac. I'm just going to click on this random article. The up arrow share icon, you tap on here, and you go ahead and select more and go all the way down till you find Instapaper. And once you do that, it saves it, and in no time it will be updated right there, so you can actually listen to it later on. And then if we go back to the up arrow, if you go in the more section and tap edit and go all the way down, you can add it and rearrange it if it's something you primarily like using. So that's how you can easily add it. And then you can also add likes, archives, and your folders. The next app that I usually like going for is Amazon Music, because I'm sure a lot of us are subscribed to Amazon Prime, and Amazon Music is free to use. And if you look closely, it even supports some like podcasts as well. Now, the reason why I have this on our list is all due to the fact that a lot of people always forget that Amazon Music allows its Prime subscribers to have free access to this, and you do not need to have Amazon Unlimited that's like $12 a month to really utilize this. The way I benefit using Amazon Music is whenever I'm just sick and tired of listening to the same tracks over and over again, that feels like it's been like a couple months, I always go to Amazon Music because their algorithm is different and it's a great way to discover some new songs, which is why I just recommend giving Amazon Music a try. Now, for my podcast listeners, I did recently replace my previous favorite podcast listening app with another third party. I used to listen to Overcast a lot, but now I switched to Pocket Cast. And the reason why I like Pocket Cast so much is not only does it have like a really clean layout, it also supports offload, downloads, your listen history. But when you click on a podcast, I'm just going to select my most recent one. I'm just going to lower the audio. The amazing features that I'll enjoy is this 2 times settings, because if you go all the way to the very bottom, you can actually go up to 3 times, which is the quickest that I've seen. On the full app on your iPhone, you can go up to 5 times, and there's a setting that you can enable that will skip all the boring blink segments automatically. Now these next few apps are some that I already previously mentioned from some of my past videos, but in case you're new, here's a quick recap, because some of these got some cool updates. Take for instance Google Maps. Google Maps is still the only true map navigation third-party CarPlay app that does allow you to quickly switch to satellite view. Like regular map mode, and then you got satellite view, traffic support, has the ability to always on-demandly just adjust the virtual voice navigation controls by simply just tapping volume. You can use your rotating knob on your car to adjust the volume, just like that. Multi-route options. It's really loaded with a lot of features that Apple Maps doesn't even have yet. But one of the most recent new integrations is this new triangle with a plus, which allows you to report like hazards, construction, or even speed trap, just like Waze. But what I personally like using is I like having all 3 popular maps on my device. So I have Apple Maps right here, Google Maps, and even Waze. If we go to the very right, I like running all 3 for options. Waze is ideal for like city driving. Google Maps is ideal for highway driving. Apple Maps, from my experience, is ideal for local city driving. But Google Maps is my primary go-to, and I really do like the new additions they added. Now, when it comes to food apps, Domino's is fully supported. You can order a Domino's pizza directly from your CarPlay head unit. Same goes with Panera Bread. You can order ahead. Chick-fil-A, it's said to be coming soon, but it's been like over 5 months. We still haven't got that. And there's also Dunkin' Donuts. But one that's my personal favorite is Rocket Homes. If you go home shopping for like open houses and stuff like that, Rocket Homes allows you to search up nearby locations, see what open houses are going up, have your favorites saved right here on the head unit. So by simply just tapping on one, you can immediately start directions. And once you pull up to that lot, you can see the home specs from right here. Me and my partner, we love this feature because we just pull up to a lot and I'll see the specs from here. It even supports audio tour on some of these homes as well. And then you can also create like a share log right here as well and monitor your previously viewed homes. So if you're a realtor or somebody shopping around, Rocket Home is an amazing CarPlay app just for this ability. Then I previously already covered Brave, but I'm gonna go do the quick overview real quick. So Brave is pretty cool because this allows me to actually listen to my YouTube videos offload them. Not sure why it's crashing. Let me go ahead and check something real quick. There we go. Now it's working. Because here on my play later, I have YouTube videos I've saved offline. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't play the YouTube video, but for like long format, like hour-long YouTube videos that you just like to listen to in the background, with the Brave app, it's free to download, and you can offload the audio of those YouTube videos ad-free and listen to them as you're driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one real quick, and it's already playing the YouTube video. I have pause and play capability, skip 15 seconds or go back 15 seconds. It basically allows you to convert your favorite YouTube videos into podcasts. You can listen to them on the go. And to show you how easy it is to download like a video, I'm just going to go ahead and launch YouTube right now. Didn't mean to go on shorts. Just type in something. Type in your favorite YouTube channel. Select the video. And on the very bottom on the right side, tap on the dots. And where it shows that music note with playlist, tap on it. And that's how you simply add it. So now it will eventually load it up right there and it'll be ready for us to listen to it in its audio format. Another cool app that I have to at least mention briefly is ETA. ETA is pretty cool because it allows you to create a bunch of like your favorite bookmarks, locations that you like to commute to. So if it's like favorite restaurants, locations, visiting friends, just tap on here. It'll show you the current traffic condition, how long will it take you to arrive if you leave right now from your current location spots right here, instead of having to go into like Google Maps and manually type it in or go into one bookmark at a time just to see how traffic is. ETA is just, it's an amazing app just due to the fact it's just a click away. It tells me traffic conditions and how long it will take me to arrive. It's just, the app is a one-time purchase, however. And if you like to quickly see an overview, you do have the quick overview location right here. And those are the apps that I found useful for 2024. Make sure to leave this video a like if you found this video informative and useful, and check for the video description down below for quick links to each of these apps I was featured, and timestamps will also be in the description as well if you like to jump around. But as always, my name was Eddie, and thank you so much for watching.